Alright, today we're going to fill the AC system on this 2003 Murcielago, and we're going to do it for $15. R134A. My system was completely drained, and it calls for 850 grams. These are 340 grams. So 2.5 cans. And remove the driver's side rear tire, and you're gonna look for the low pressure fitting right up here. All right, here we go. A little tricky with one hand. But we should be able to get it. Alright, we're gonna put this down. Alright, so we got it on there. You can hear it. Now we'll close it. Alright, now we gotta start the car up. Once you start the car, make sure you turn the air conditioning on high. And I used a temperature gauge in the air vents. Also, make sure you chock the wheels. Stupid immobilizer. It's a pretty simple procedure. If you're worried about overfilling the system or any of that crap, I don't know, take it to a dealership then. But it works good for me, and the air conditioning is very cold.